Hi everyone, my name is Mayur Misa. I am a second year MCA student from Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, Mumbai. Today, I am going to demonstrate AWS CloudFormation tool. Before starting with the demonstration, we have to understand what AWS CloudFormation is. AWS CloudFormation is a configuration orchestration tool that allows you to codify infrastructure to automate your deployments. Basically, CloudFormation helps you model and set up your AWS resources so that you can spend less time managing those resources and more time focusing on your applications that run in AWS. I hope you guys have understood what CloudFormation tool is used for. Let's start with the demonstration. Go to AWS Management Console. In search bar, type CloudFormation. Click on CloudFormation. You will see the dashboard of CloudFormation tool. Okay, so there are multiple options present like stacks, stack sets, exports, designers, etc. Click on create stack option button. As you can see, there are three options. First one is template is ready, second one is use a sample template, and third one is create template in designer. So what these options are? So in template ready option, you can upload your ready-made template file from your local device, or else you can do, you can store that particular template file in Amazon S3 and you can provide the S3 URL here. In second option, you can select the sample template provided by AWS CloudFormation tool like LAMP stack, Ruby on Rails stacks. So what does this stack means? So stack is basically a collection of resources which you are going to use for your project. Okay. The third option is create template in designer. So now the question is, what is designer? So designer is basically a GUI provided by AWS CloudFormation tool in which you select particular resources and edit that policies required for that particular resources. Like suppose here I'm going to select a resource as a EC2 and I want to create an instance, EC2 instance. So I will just simply select EC2 instance and I will drag and drop it in the designer field. Okay, so now you can see this is the script, and if I want to connect with this particular instance, so I want to write some policies, right? So I will write these policies here. So for writing these, I have two options. One is a JSON format and second one is YAML format. So I can write this script particularly in JSON or YAML language according to my convenience. Okay, this is all about AWS CloudFormation Designer. So in this demonstration, I'm going to create one sample stack by using a sample template. So just select a LAMP stack. Okay, so LAMP basically means Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. So just click on next. Give a stack name. I'm here going to give as LAMP demo. In parameters, you can see the database name, database password, root password, username. So let's suppose I have to create one database using name lambdb. Okay, so I'm going to give password for my database and password for my root user. I have to provide the username also. In instance type, select t2.micro because I'm using the free tier account provided by Amazon AWS. In key pair, you have to select a key pair. If you don't know how to create a key pair or what key pair is, key pair is basically when we are going to create any instance and we have to connect with that particular instance, EC2 instance, we required one key pair. Okay, so if you know how to create pair, just create it before creating the stack, or else if you don't know how to create a key pair, I will show you quickly how to create a key pair. Just go to EC2 instance dashboard, click on create key pair option, provide the name for your key pair and select type as a RSA and format as a .ppk. Okay, and click on create. So I have already created one key pair with name CFKP. So I'm not going to create that again. Just click on next. In third step, you can add tag for your stack. You can change the permissions according to the IAM role, and there is one option, stack failure options. Okay, so suppose while installing or creating that particular stack, anything bad happens. So this particular option will help you to roll back all your stack resources. So select this option. There are multiple advanced options also present, so you can change that according to your project requirement. So I'm not going to do that now. Just click on next. Review all the details and simply click on submit. So as you can see, the LAMP demo status is in create in progress. So you can check the resources here in resources tab. So right now you can see the web server security group is already created for the EC2 instance, and if you want to check whether the instance is created and in the running stage or not, just simply go to the EC2 dashboard and check whether the instance is running or not. As you can see, the instance is running right now. You can check the stack info in stack info tab, and also you can check the all the events related to the building of your stack. So right now the instance is created and it's in running stage. Now we have to connect with this instance. So go to the instance and copy the public IP address. Open putty, paste the IP address. Go to SSH, go to auth, and browse the key pair file for connection and click on open. Just accept. As you can see, to connect instance, we have to give the login as the username as EC2 user. As you can see, the it is authenticated with public key which we created earlier. Now we are connected with the instance. Okay, so the instance is ready. Now we have to check whether the database, MySQL database, is created by the CloudFormation or not. Okay, so to that, type one command mysql hyphen uroot hyphen v and enter your root password. So as you can see, we are now in MySQL console. That means the database, MySQL database, is created by the CloudFormation tool. Okay, so to check whether the particular database entry is present or not, there is one command, show databases. Okay, as you can see, the LAMP DB database is created by the CloudFormation tool. You can connect with that particular database by using use command. As you can see, the database is now changed. Okay, so the instance is created, the MySQL database is created. Now I will show you how to check the Apache web server uh, is hosted on the EC2 instance or not. So for that, copy the public IPv4 DNS address and paste it in another browser tab. Right now you can see the welcome sample page, PHP sample page of Apache web server. So this is just a sample page where all the details are present of Apache environment. Okay, so this is the simple demonstration of creating LAMP stack by using the CloudFormation tool. I hope you guys have understood how to create a stack using the CloudFormation tool. Okay, so that is it. Thank you.